Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video we will learn how to create a Python code for creating a program that takes input from the user and gives us the minimum, maximum, and the middle number. So, let's dive into the video. The program that we will create asks us to enter a number, so, I have entered a number 289, 300, and 288 respectively, and the program gives us the output in the ascending order, that is, first minimum, then middle, and finally the maximum. Please pause the video and have a look on the code. First of all, we define variables x, y, and z such that it takes the input from user for numbers. The input command takes input as a string, so, I have converted it to integer, using int command. Second part of the program is the conditional statement. But it is very important for you to observe the code carefully. You can also copy the code from the description. Okay. So, after the input commands we use the if, and, elif, statements. If x is smaller than y, and z, it is the smallest of all, but, if y is smaller than z, then we can say that x is the smallest, then comes y, and the greatest number of all is z, or if z is smaller than y, then you know that x is the smallest, and then will come z, and then y. Is that okay? You can similarly do the same process for y and then for z, that is when y is the smallest of both and for z is the smallest. Please observe the code and let me know if you did not understand the code. I will explain the code to you more efficiently. Sorry for any inconvenience.